Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1970 Ford Mach 1 Fastback M-code 351. It does have a T5 5-speed manual transmission in it. The shaker hood, as you can see. It was born as a Mach 1. You can see it in the yellow here. The original color was blue metallic, so it has had a color change. But beautiful car here. As we look through this car, if I go too fast with the camera, please visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. If you have any questions on this vehicle or any other vehicle you may see in the video, please give us a call at 941-355-1955. Tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, just on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301, about a mile and a half from the Sarasota airport. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those cars are domestic classic. The other 20% European luxury and or exotic vehicles. But back to this beautiful 70 Mach 1. As you can see in the bold yellow, it does have the black stripe on the hood, shaker hood, AC, power brakes, power steering. Born as a true Mach 1. Fastback. It has the sports slats. Just a beautiful vehicle here, beautifully restored. Paint is in good condition. Car runs excellent. Again, good addition or upgrade with the T5. Let you go on the highway and cruise a little bit lower RPM. Again, just a beautiful car here. We will show you the interior. Black interior, as I mentioned. Wood grain. If you're not in Florida and you're interested in this vehicle or anything else you see, please don't hesitate to give us a call or visit the website, as we can manage shipping process for you. Last year we shipped to 19 different U.S. states and 7 countries around the world: Budapest, Hungary, New Zealand, Australia, Seoul, South Korea, Netherlands, Germany. So we can ship this car door to door anywhere you may be. If you have finance needs or you would like to finance the vehicle, we can handle those as well. Give us a call or visit the website. We do have a finance tab on our website. You can fill out an application. We'll go ahead and start this up, show you that it is a cold start here. Connect the battery. As we keep the batteries disconnected while they're inside. See the interior again. Pictures are, camera's very dark inside, so I do apologize. Visit the website. We have the car outside for much better pictures and outside light. Vehicle starts right up. Make sure we're in neutral here. The buzzer that you hear is the door is open. That will go off once we close the door here. Alarm is off. The buzzer, not alarm. exhaust. And high idles on as it's still coming up to temperature, warming up here. Get that high idle off. Go. Got that nice Mustang sound. Engine sounds very good. There you go. You can hear that rumble of the 70s on this Mach 1. Sounds very healthy. As I mentioned earlier, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Fully restored car. Again, born as a true Mach 1. 351 M-code. Does have a couple upgrades, obviously, with the 5-speed T5 manual transmission. And it was born blue metallic. It has had a color change, but most folks like the yellow, the black stripe, and 351 on top. Just a beautiful car. If you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you very much.